Sure. So the first thing I wanted to ask was just to introduce yourself and explain how you got into trading. Like, what was your journey to get to the place you are today?
Right. So my name is Alessandro. I'm I'm obviously, the name is Italian. I'm originally Italian, but I've been living in the UK for 10 years. Trading started, my journey with trading started about 4 years ago when I got married, and obviously I wanted to improve my financial situation even more. So I worked for Barclays before then, like 6 years, and that's it. I got into a course. I learned a few bits. I learned the hard way because trading is not easy. And I must say, after the first couple of years, where I think you learn actually, and to find then the strategy that you like, this seems to work better for you. I found this one strategy that it seems to be working and making me profitable, and since then it's been going all right.
Great, that's great to hear. So, did you like start your background in trading through education, or like you said, you had a course? So, did you have a mentor, or did you teach yourself how to trade, anything like that?
Yeah, I went into this course. It was an academy. It was a trading academy. I was there for about 2 years. I was so motivated that within, like, I think 6 to 7 months, I actually became a teacher within the school. So I was there for about 2 years, and I think trading. I mean, from my personal, I consider myself like a street trader. Like, I come from the street. Like, stuff that I know, I think most of the stuff that every trader learn is actually by trading. So someone can teach you like a strategy, but at the end of the day, I think each one of us find his own way. So yeah, but mainly it came from an academy. Like, there is a few things that everyone should know. That is like the foundation of trading, and then after that you can build on it. So yeah.
Yes, definitely. I agree with you. And a lot of people that I've talked to as well have learned in the same way as you. So they went through things such as an academy, learned the fundamentals, and then started learning their own strategy and learning the way of how to trade successfully through actually trading.
Yeah.
So that's great to hear.
Yeah.
So you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital. So how has that been so far for you? Have you any feedback, or how's your performance? Anything like that?
I want to tell you like the story about Audacity, because while I was actually, I heard about Audacity a couple of years back. So I remember that while I was trading, there was one of the students that actually joined the program, and he was telling me about it. Like, he wanted to actually help me. He wanted me to help him, like, to trade like with Audacity, but at that time I was in the academy, so I didn't bother too much. And then I had another friend of mine that this year, about 6 months ago, during a call, he just talking to me, just said, "Oh, look, I joined this program. It's Audacity," and blah blah. He was telling me the story. I asked him questions because he's also a trader. He's a good friend of mine, and that's it. And then I just said, "But I knew about Audacity before," so I said, "Why shall I not try it?" And I must say that my feelings were right, because I mean, after deeply researching into the program, after coming on quite, let's say, quite immediately, maybe even because of my background, I must say that it's been the best decision I've done in my life. I think Audacity is a life changer. It does, I mean, it basically gives you all the tools that a trader needs to basically, develop their own future, to write their own future. And that's it. I'm actually very, very happy. Within a month, I mean, I didn't expect it. With trading, you don't have a time frame. You just try to do your best. But just over a month, I was able to pass what I call level 1, because I think it's like levels. Every time we reach 10%, we move to the next level. So I'm already on the second level now. So I'm very, very happy. And I hope to continue like this.
Great news. I'm glad you're enjoying the program so far, and congratulations on getting to the second level, as you said, so the doubling of your account. So that's great news, and I'm glad that you think that you've made the right decision with us as well. So it's great to hear. So my last question is a bit of a tricky question, but I ask it to all the people I do these interviews with. And it is, what is the best advice you can give to someone just starting their trading journey? So this may be something that maybe you would have liked to hear or have heard at the start when you were learning how to trade, or anything like that.
I think I have an answer for that, because the problem, not the problem, like what usually happen to some people, and then I'm not gonna lie, I went even close to this stage myself. Trading is beautiful, you know, it's that for a new starter, for someone that just start, it's very emotional, okay? So this emotion can definitely play out sometimes. All I want to say that for you to be successful at trading, you really need to fight for it. Like if it's the last thing you can do on earth, you know, if you want to be successful, because it's gonna be a bumpy road. But the end of it, actually not even bumpy road. Let's look at it like a mountains. It's like a very high mountains. Once you get to the top, or a place where you are comfortable, that's when obviously the fun part starts. But you need to be very, very motivated. That's all I want to say.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, and I think that is great advice as well. So I think that was all my questions for today, and it has been lovely talking to you. And again, congratulations on hitting your target as well. And I'm very glad that you're having a good experience with us. And hopefully in the future, when you hit your next target, we can have another interview as well and see how you're doing then.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.